EEG Beats is a Matlab toolbox that extracts and analyzes heart rate variability from an EKG signal. You can read more about the technical details in this article. Please make sure you have Matlab and EEG Lab installed before continuing. There are two ways to install EEG Beats. You can either download it from GitHub or install EEG Beats as a plugin through EEG Lab. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use EEG Beats through EEG Lab. Open Matlab and navigate into the EEG Lab directory. In the command line, type in EEG Lab. In the EEG Lab main menu, go to File. Manage EEG Lab extensions. Since I'm using the latest version of EEG Lab, the installation menu has a search box. In the search box, I'm going to type EEG Beats and enter. Click on EEG Beats and click Install Update. After EEG Beats is installed, the EEG Lab will restart, and you should see in the command window that EEG Beats is installed. Now I'm going to show you how to run the EEG Beats from EEG Lab. This plugin has a simple user interface for running EEG Beats on a single dataset. First, we have to load the EEG dataset we want to use. Then we bring up the EEG Beats GUI to set the parameters. Once we are satisfied, we press OK. After finding the heartbeats, EEG Beats calculates RR measures and thus plots. EEG Beats also returns the calculation in the workspace. The EKG peak structure contains the peak locations, and the RR info structure contains the metrics. You will also see 4 figures, which we will explain in another video. If you set the output directory locations in the parameter settings, the EEG Beats will also save the analysis and figures to files. In the command line, type in EEG Lab to start EEG Lab. Go to the File menu on EEG Lab. Select Load Existing Dataset. And make sure it is a .set file. Go to the EEG Lab Tools menu and select Run EEG Beats to get heartbeats from EKG. This will pull up the EEG Beats parameters window. EEG Beats has many settable parameters, but you should be able to use EEG Beats with the default setting in most cases. The main things that you need to set are the output directory for saving structure information and the figure directory for saving plots. If you don't set these, EEG Beats will not save anything to files but will still produce results in the workspace. Notice that the parameters are organized in 2 sections. The left column contains peak finding parameters and the right column contains RR measures parameters. The plot options are on the bottom. We're going to accept all defaults and not save to files, so we just press OK. After EEG Beats runs, you will see 4 figure windows. A menu pops up asking if you want to save the EEG file. EEG Beats doesn't change the input file, so we just press Cancel. If you are done with the figures, you can close them. In the main workspace, you will see 2 structures, EKG peaks and RR info. You can find additional tutorials explaining EEG Beats figures and data structures on the EEG Beats website.